अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आज के इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं 100 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस। सबसे पहले ये समझते हैं कि कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस क्या होता है। दो सेंटेंसेस को मिलाकर एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनता है, जैसे कि When she asked me to bring some cakes, I refused her because I was busy. ये दो सेंटेंसेस को मिलाकर एक सेंटेंस बनाएं जिसे हम कहेंगे कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस। इसी तरह की एग्जाम्पल देखने के लिए वीडियो को लाइक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा, और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन। She could not go to office early because she prepared assignment until last night. She was on the beach when her father came there. Never try to force her until she gives her own consent to this marriage. He does not know about this meeting because he was not there. You have to be very careful while starting business with her. When I started, I faced a lot of failure, but not I'm exert. He is proficient in English but can't understand French. She had a good time with her family, even though she was very busy yesterday. Neha worked hard, so she got this proposal. I can join National Army, but my father asked me to join his company. Don't try to go there until I allow you to go there. I will go abroad in order to earn money. Scarcely I was about to sleep when she called me. He is new to this field, so don't try to tease him. She is a good employee but now going to be married. Their house is stuffed with many people because they live in joint family. He didn't want to go to the dentist, though he was very sick. He is very respectable to me. He has saved my daughter's life. He cannot come with you. He have to go to office. Even though we were rich, we drive antique cars. As soon as Adam leaves the class, I will start reading loud. She was about to buy when her father warned her about this deal. Muslims believe that there is no God except one. He has to work hard because he has to feed his 4 children. She is very selfish, although her husband is very sincere to her. Ali wants to attend this meeting, but her family issues restrained him. She practiced for long hours late nights, so she secured a good position. We will never trust you because you have no previous experience to do this. When I joined this class, I was young, but now I am in my 3rd score of life. He lives far away from village and comes to visit her mother once a week. I liked her when she to my office for the first time. प्रिंटिंग में थोड़ी मिस्टेक हुई भी है, यहाँ पर she came to my office for the first time. Martin is very wise, but he doesn't start any business. Don't leave the class until the assignments here are completed. Lee not only works swiftly but also precisely. Although she misses her husband so much, she cannot go to him because he do not like her. A man can desire only without hard work. I can give you $500 if you want to complete this task efficiently. I asked her to pass the jam, but she replied to do it by yourself. She saw me going to office when she was passing by me. I was there because I want to give him a bucket of flowers. She was the only girl in the museum when he asked about basketball player. My husband hates pop music, but I can't live without it. I would prefer to go out rather than to stay at home. He was very generous to poor, but his son is opposite to him. He goes to work on Monday, but he does not go to work on Tuesday. Nibla wanted to go outside, but her brother refused. I was at her home when her father caught us. They are foodie because their mother cooks good food. I can refer you to her, but I will not assure your job. Even after 4 years, when I saw him, I was as nervous as the first day. When you are on the way to success, don't trust on liars because they can cheat. If you want to be entrepreneur, then you should work in their community. They came first, therefore they got a chance to service this. I'm not interested to work with you because you are a cheater. दोस्तों आज के लिए 55 सेंटेंसेस काफ़ी हैं. कल हम करेंगे बाकी के सेंटेंसेस. आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.